Intel's a global manufacturing company. We produce CPUs, both used by computer OEMs as well as sold directly through retail through the distribution channel. One of the big things for us is around reducing inventory levels in the channel. Today, the way data is typically collected is a spreadsheet through email or some other type of data exchange, and it requires a lot of effort to sort through that data. With RFID, that data is automatically collected, and then by using the tools that are available to us through SAP, we're able to automatically bring that data into our systems and display it in a way that allows the users to make effective decisions.
Working with SAP, we've embedded UHF transceiver technology in many readers that have a closed-loop round-trip conversation with Intel Xeon and Itanium servers. This closed-loop connection of RFID signals enables a real breakthrough for the first time in supply chain processes, be it related to logistics and delivery of end goods to customers, be it tracking work-in-process inventory in various stackers and warehouses across supply chain.
Visibility on the inbound supply chain is extremely critical. If the chemical or the commodity is not on site when we need it, at the right amount that we need, the factory cannot produce for our customers. Currently, due to the high inventory buffers that need to be sustained in our chemical supply line, we have chemicals that do end up expiring on site. We believe that we'll at least be able to save $2 million a year in chemical expiration based on automated event management or triggers that warn us when a chemical is near expiration, as well as increased efficiencies of our supply chain.
Right now we're focused primarily on what we call our boxed products. So it is our end consumer products. We take a processor, put it into an individual container, an individual box, and it goes onto a shelf for a large consumer site. Being able to have RFID technology and being able to look at the units on an individual granular basis, we're able to know at a unit level what material has moved from point A to point B. So although we may ship 1,000 units out of our Intel warehouse, and at the distributor's warehouse they may receive that shipment, we're able to see if there's been any units that have been mysteriously lost in that transit pipeline. Being able to see what's happening at not only our own warehouses, but also being able to see what occurs at a customer's warehouse, it provides us with the ability to anticipate what a customer's requests are going to be. If we can see the movement of material through the pipeline, through their warehouses, it allows us to come to the table prepared with information and truly be able to collaborate with them to initiate conversations about the analysis of the data that we're collecting.
It's important that we support the various RFID initiatives across the supply chain, while at the same time making sure that we reduce our total cost of ownership. By leveraging the SAP platform, we're able to do that.
We believe that with this just-in-time management capability using RFID technology, we get a real breakthrough in utilization of what's stocked in the various warehouses, as well as a breakthrough in misprocessing, so that the right part is at the right place for processing in our equipment manufacturing space. And moving forward, we think that there's yet untapped business capabilities that RFID can serve working with SAP and Intel platforms.
We can do it with one commodity, such as chemicals, but once you build it for chemicals within the AutoID infrastructure, there's no reason that you can't add it to your gases or to your other commodities. You start with one commodity, and a lot of the work that you do on that commodity is reusable for other situations.
If we're able to intimately understand and have visibility to the movement of our inventory and the mix of inventory that's being consumed, then we're able to fill the channel with the right mix at the right time, and therefore reduce the amount of material that may need to be sitting on shelves. You're certainly talking about the tens, if not hundreds of millions of dollars if you're able to reduce the total level of inventory by a couple days or a week or even a couple weeks, which isn't a far stretch. To be able to reduce it down by that amount, you're talking, tens, hundreds of millions of dollars.